Hi, I'm Heidi, and I'm with WTI. And as you can tell, I love the color pink, and I'm very coordinated with it. So when I found this case, I loved the color, the feel. It's just so beautiful. I love that when you open it up, it turns right on. You can close it, it turns off. I love that I can have my pen for for drawing and everything. It can go right here. It has a little spot where I can hold my pen for any time that I'm done and I just need to use my finger, and then I can stick it right back. It's great too because it folds up so nicely so that you can have it so that it sits like that. I just absolutely love this case. And a great thing too is that it has just enough space there that you can get your headphone jack in, and all the buttons line up perfectly with all the buttons on your tablet. So it's amazing, but that's my point of view.